welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha Creativemind Creations, and today we're on day 22. Again, I forgot to take it out of the box. Wait a minute. No, 21. We're on day 21 for our 24 days of Secret Santa. I keep saying 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got for my Secret Santa on the 21st day. Okay, and this is my Cuttlebug Quilled Rose Carnation Kit. Ooh, is this what I think it is? Because I've always wanted to try this, and I've never did it. Oh, it's a die, and oh snap! I can make flowers out of this. Oh, okay. So I can make flowers out of this. These are the stems, I guess. I'm taking all out, guys. And these are the, I guess you'd use this to cut the strips for quilling. And this is the die to cut out leaves. And this is the one to cut out 2 different types of flowers. Neat. Oh, this is gonna be cool. And then this is the tool. I always want to get one of these so I can, because I have some of these dies like this so you can roll the flowers. I always want to get one of these to roll them easier. Well, I got one now. Thank you. I love this one. Okay, so I'm gonna put all this back in here until I figure out how I'm going to store it. This is gonna be fun. Definitely be fun to play with because I always wanted to try quilling, but then it's like, you know what, Trish, you got enough stuff to craft. You don't have any more room for anything, so you don't need to be getting that. So I just never left. I just didn't get it. But this is going to be fun. I think these are instructions how to make a flower. Neat. Neat, 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 neat. All right, thank you again, Secret Santa, for the awesome gift this today. They've all been awesome, but this is really cool. So thanks again, Secret Santa, and thanks for everybody watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.